Hello, friends of Komodo platform, friends of Pirate Chain, RE Pirates. Let's take a look at some crypto price charts, some RBTC price chart. I'm gonna share my screen. I'm E. Giuliano, and dare ye say, it's 14 October, a Thursday. With the BTC, it has touched to the 58 and down to the 57. And well, here we are with the Pirate Chain on a daily price chart, a 4-hour price chart. Gonna run right into this one here. Whew. So after what looked like a bullish reversal, failed at this level of resistance here previous, and boom, dropped further down. Okay, so we're looking at levels of like levels of relativity, okay? Oh, I just need to do a quick refresh here. So levels of relativity using the Fibonacci, the retracement, and the extension tool. In this case, when, I guess, using this neo-wave method of flat patterns, Elliott wave style, when you have a move in one direction, okay, whether it's down or up, and then it gets retraced by a move that's more than 61.8%. In fact, if it's 80% or more, that's even stronger and more of a common B wave. And then you have your third mono wave to make the poly wave corrective move, whether it's up or down. And it's in the opposite direction of that intermediate in the middle wave, the B wave. So when it retraces a certain amount, we use, I'm using the retracement tool. When it, and that's when it retraces more than 61.8 or let's say even around the 80%, like when it's starting from here and it retraces to here, then that's a reason to use the retracement tool to see this wave here, how much does it retrace? And so when we do that, let's go to the daily and just talk from there. Oops. So I was going to just show that on the 4-hourly, looks like we're getting towards a, you know, it could be anywhere, but and it could keep going down, but we are in at least in an intermediate area. On the daily, there is potentially an engulfing candle of the bodies, but still have this wick action here. Anyway, so nothing set in stone, but we're making at least a line here in the sand. Let's see what we follow. Okay, so in terms of basically on the daily of the RSI and even on the MACD, MACD could end any time. RSI could still go to an oversold position, has not hit oversold since back in the beginning of July here, July 10th, with the CoinEx exchange data showing us a more full chart. But anyway, okay, so here we are, and let's take a look here. So we retrace, just for fun, we'll say from point to point, from Gumble to Gumble, we go way more than 80%. 81% is really the number that he uses, Neely method. So then we'll retrace this wave here and say, okay, we're around the 1382 if we go point to point, you know. And we're not quite there yet, but it's around that level, so some sort of common pattern. Now, if we were to take within there this move here from here down and then its retracement, what is it like? Well, we could find some confluence. So we'll take us down to the 4-hour price chart to have a look at that one. Anyway, as BTC finds its levels here and figures out what it's going to do, if the volatility isn't too wild, then I think the altcoins can manage, and I think Pirate Chain can start finding a bottom. But you know, if BTC is rocketing up, it might just be an intermediate bottom before a further downturn. You know, imagine 100,000 or even a $75,000 BTC. What if Pirate Chain wants to stay around this $2 level or even 250 or whatever? So Satoshi's wise would be a decrease. But anyway, okay, so here we are, nonetheless, looking for a bottom, at least before the next bounce. Okay, and of course, these levels here are going to be huge resistance that needs to be broken for further move up. And that it would be at this point that we'd be breaking, like if ever we're going to, I don't know, do we have to go back down? Maybe, but we really want to break over this downtrending resistance line here. Okay, so First things first, we took a retracement from this move here down, okay? We're gonna take the retracement from this move up, sorry. Right, okay, around the 1382. We're also going to retrace now, if we go in closer, this move here, the most recent move, okay? This move here, down to here, okay? That was a one-to-one retracement, oops. And then we're going to go from down to up. Okay, so we are seeing here a confluence with the 1382. It's roughly around the same area. It's 1618 is a little bit earlier, around 31. But so there you go, just some confluence of retracements. And then if we want to look at it like that, that's basically an idea. So strength in these levels here. Let's see what happens with the support. Pirate chain, RBTC, over and out for now. Yeah. That's the 4 hourly, and we can hit it up on the daily, and that's where you are. Okay. Pirate chain. We're having this horizontal and downtrending, lower lows. So really need to find the first level of major support here. Where is that going to be? Get a spring. Where is that going to take us? All right. Looking for a spring. That's the RBTC. And that's about it. RUSDT, we'll just take a quick looky look. I mean, we're at this critical level here. The wick dropped lower a couple of days ago. So the daily price chart, again, using CoinEx Exchange. Yeah, I mean, this is obviously a key level. We've drawn it out before. So let's stay above it and we're good to go. Then in that case, you stay above it, we're going to 275, okay? Minimum 250, all right, yep. And then if ever anything else, we can even make it into the $3 level. Yeah. Okay, so that's the RUSD, whoops, T. But then again, we'd be fighting this here. Oh, let's look at some cloud action coming up on the next video. We can check out the clouds. We haven't quite twisted here. Kumo clouds, Kumo is cloud. Twist has not happened. There you go. Yep, into November 12, 13. Anyway, okay, so here we are, 14 October. On a day-to-day level, we don't really see what's happening, but if it were to be looked at from a broader lens, we would see a bigger picture. So there you go. We're at the front of the action right here. Okay. Well, I hope you're doing well. And that's about it. KMD is about the 1700 Satoshis level. Let's just take a quick look over here, just at hovering around the dollar level here on the USD level. Okay, not quite oversold here on the daily either with the RSI. Yep, just making these very lows. So at any point needs that reversal. Is this indecision type of candle the reversal? Meh, not so clear on that. But we are really at levels, seen back in June, also in July, end of July 28th there. But yeah, this is this critical area of support resistance. We're coming at it from below now because we went down and we're coming at it from below. So definitely could go lower. This is a big retracement from low to high to low if we're using the wicks, or even if we're using the bodies of the candles, from low to high. And now we are basically very far down. So if it's not going to go lower and we're going to maintain higher lows, that's these are important levels. That's the KMD, BTC on the daily, and that's about it for now. I hope you're take care of yourself. Stay hydrated. Enjoy your relationships. Nurture them and find them, create them. Do what you got to do. Live free. Die well. All that good stuff. Sailing the seas for all the pirates out there. And more to come. More to come. Komodo platform. Soon, more to come. All right. Take care. Goodbye.